Okay, this is part 2 of the all-wheel drive diff. There's some things I wanted to cover because I actually got, like, when I pulled this out, these fell off, and I got them mixed up. But I went back and watched my video, and I can see how that went. But in order to access this right here, you're gonna have to take off this pinion ring gear right here, and it takes 14mm bolts. Otherwise, it's gonna be too hard to weld in here. And in my previous video, I left in the description what bearings you need to replace this with, and the seals. These ones I'm not going to replace because they look like they're pretty much like new. They're real rubbery. They're not hard. I'm just going to reuse them because they're fine. The bearings, I don't know how good they are, but I'm just going to replace them because I can get a set for like 60 bucks. Okay, so this is the cardboard piece I made. That's how it is originally, and I got this is just my template so I can see how far it goes. But you want to make sure that when you weld the plate that it doesn't interfere in here when you put the axles in, or you really mess up. You won't be able to put the axles in. So this, when you weld it, has to be spaced high. What I recommend doing is fitting the axles in there. I'm going to put both axles in before I weld it so that I know that they're not going to get hemmed up in there. This piece, I can put my finger in, it's not touching anything, so this is fine how I have it. I can feel it. You can feel if it's raised up, if the axles will go in. So that's what you want to do with that. And then now I'm just going to trace this out on my piece of steel and cut it out. And then it's just going to be welded all the way around like that, and then the same thing here too. And that's pretty much it for that part. But I'm gonna try to take this out. Let's see if I can do it one-handed so you can see how the bearings go in. Come on. Oh man, this is pretty difficult. Hold on, I'm gonna need 2 hands to do this, so bear with me for a second. Oh boy, this is okay. Oh wow, I got it, but everything went flying. Okay, where's my bearings at? Yeah, they went flying everywhere. So I'll show you how this goes, because this is a little confusing. There is a flat side and a tapered side. You can kind of see it tapered right here. So on this right here, it's going to fit on the left side, which is the smaller seal side, and the tapered side is going to face in towards the bearing. Then on this side, you're going to have this flat washer right here. It's not tapered, but you can see a groove right here, and that is going to go on the inside of the bigger seal side, which is that side. And I gotta find where the other piece went. Oh, here it is. Okay. Alright, so we got this piece, and it's tapered as well. It's flat on this side, and it's tapered on this side. And the tapered side is going to go in, so it's going to go to the tapered side this way, and see how it looks like that. So that's how it goes here, and you got to put them on and then push this on and you'll get it. But I just wanted to show that because a lot of people don't show that. A lot of people might lose these pieces and then go, oh, well, how do they go back together? Well, now you know. That's how they go. And then the seals are just, they just sit in here with the Honda bond. Basically, it's just gonna go like that. So same thing over here. But that's it for part 2. My next video, I will show the plates and have them welded in. Thanks.